What's up, guys? It's me, Psycho Monker here, back in another video. In today's video, it's going to be episode, 4, 5, 6, 7 of Camaro Restorations on my dad's 1973 Camaro RS. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get watching. So basically, I'm going to use this little wheel thing, and this grippy thing to hold this down and sand it. So yeah, this is the before. As you can see, all very dusty. So yeah, let's get sanding. There we go, got it all done. Very shiny. It could be a little bit better, but no one's gonna be able to see this once everything's put together, so I would say that it's good enough. So yeah, first part done. We're back. There we go.
Like Jesus. Oh, let me have my mask.
Oh, we're back. Here's your mask. Where did my mask go? Yeah, we've bought new things, new attachments. Got this one, this metal one, and basically that other one, but straight, flat. Right now I'm shining.
Sound like the dude from freaking Waterboy.
I know you do.
Right now I'm da. Blow my pants up there.
So yeah, right now I'm trying to shine this piece up with this wire thingy. Yeah, that works pretty good. I was using this with my hand earlier and it worked way better, but you know.
It did not. You were taking forever,
dude. It did. It got the job done. Spray painting it now. Getting that part right there and that part. Making it all black and nice. Sanding that part or brushing it. Drilling it, whatever you want to say. Just so we could paint it black and it looks nice. And then I got this part with it too. This is the part that I was just working on and it looks a lot better. So yeah. Okay, so he did this last night when I was sleeping.
No. Did it today when I woke up.
So yeah, I got the brakes on, he's getting some springs on. Now he needs my help because he doesn't have a third arm.
Yeah, need third arm.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm kind of on my own now. I took this part off, this shock. So I recorded it, right? Then the video corrupted, so I don't have it anymore. But I took it off. It looked like that. This is the new one. So now I need to put the new one just like that. I have to make sure I do it all right, because if I don't, then it's, not going to work. So, yeah, I'm going to put it in there. Then I'll show you how I bolted it and everything. Okay, this is not going to be the greatest camera shot you've ever seen, but it'll be a camera shot. So I'm going to get these two screws in, because these are the most basic ones that I think you should never mind. I'm going to watch a video on how to do this first. Okay, so I figured out how to install it, but I'm an idiot, because I shouldn't have cut this little blue part off of it, because if I did, then this would be a lot easier. But I figured out what order these things need to go in, so now you're going to watch me struggle to compress this or decompress it, I don't know which one. Get it in those two holes over there with this spacer and these bolts, because do not come with new bolts. Doesn't really matter, I think. I could sand this and clean it all, but no one's going to ever see this again, because it's in there. And yeah, this is gonna suck. Okay, time to struggle. Jesus Christ. There we go. There. A little bit down. Don't come up yet. Don't come up yet. There we go. And then. Oh, Jesus. I messed it up right at the last second. Almost got it. Wiggle it in. Okay. It's not in correctly yet, but I need to get these screws in because it'll help me guide the stuff. Pretty sure I'm on the first hole, or I'm not. Oh boy, this is gonna take a little bit of time. I shouldn't have compressed this, or shouldn't have cut the thing. A lot harder now. Okay, I'm putting in both screws so it doesn't just fall out all the time. Okay, now let's hope that I get this all the way in here. Is that it? I can't tell if I'm in there. I don't think I am. It's gonna suck. It's gonna suck. Okay, I'm gonna need to use the light here, so you're gonna miss this part. Okay, so now we're putting the wheel on. I just struggled on putting the drum on for like 30 seconds.
And I got it right on the first shot.
I was scared to break something.
Scared to break the brakes?
Yeah.
Whoa! Alright.
Lug nuts.
Lug nuts.
Putting them all on.
Huh?
I'm just talking to them.
So, Michael found a bunch of new parts
In the box over there.
in the box that was underneath the drum. We didn't see them,
So all those
But-
parts that we shined up.
but it's okay. We just repurposed the original parts.
Yeah.
So we sanded them down and greased them and did whatever we had to do. So we'll keep the new ones just in case we need them in the future. But the ones that are on here right now
Good enough.
will be just fine.
And tightening them now. So basically, my bad. I forgot to record us, like, air putting on the things again. But we got them on, and now we're about to work on these exhaust tips that my dad ordered. So yeah. So right now we're cutting it just a tiny bit so we can squish it more.
Probably should be wearing some eyewear.
Yeah. But yeah, that's actually like the exhaust part right there. And if you look down here, it's supposed to connect up to here, so it kind of comes out instead of just being flush with the body. So it's a little bit more noticeable. And yeah, now I have to do this for the other side of this one, and then you have to do this with that one too. Yeah, I probably should have turned it off when you're doing.
I too like to live dangerously. Do you know what movie that's from?
No.
Austin Powers. What's wrong with you? You don't know. You are the worst movie trivia guy ever because you haven't seen like any movies.
Oh yeah. Name one that's not dodgeball.
Austin Powers.
I've watched it. I've watched at least 2 of them.
Something About Mary.
Gold member. Now we watch him struggle, as I would struggle too.
Yeah, this part's gonna kind of suck. I need the hammer, the rubber one.
Very scientific. I just missed it. He was hitting it on the table and then a lot of stuff fell out.
I think here.
Well, how to get it on?
Huh?
How do you get it on?
No.
Or just how it would work? Or how it would work?
Yeah, how it's gonna go on there properly, you know.
You also got a heater out here now.
Yeah, I think I might go buy like one of those big ones.
Like you hook up to there?
No, like one of those big standing ones that they use for like outside.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, if you get one like
$200.
the ones that Ben has, that might be a little bit too much. A little bit overkill.
Which one?
If you get like one that Ben has.
Whoop, it's coming off. Oh. Come on, you piece of crap.
We're getting this exhaust in, and old man's having some problems.
It's hard. Hurts my hand.
Sounds like a little baby.
A little baby hand.
So you can see inside my hole.
Whoa!
You can see inside the exhaust.
Wow!
Maybe that one was on purpose.
Dang, dude. Okay. I think we're good. That's not coming off, dude. Alright, let's see how it looks like from the outside.
Okay, as you can see, it's there.
Pretty straight.
Yeah. Definitely better than when you had it on. It was all like before.
Well, I
we had
didn't really have it on. I just was hooking it on there to
see if it fit.
yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Like that. Compared to like that.
I think the other one will be easier if I do it the other way.
Yeah, if you do it the smart way. No, can't zoom it.
What?
Couldn't zoom in.
Okay. All right,
Now,
so I'm gonna add some slits here on these sides. So basically, these are made for 2 3/4 to, I'm sorry, 2.5. No, 2 3/4. So 2 3/4 to 3-inch exhaust pipes. These are only 2 1/4. So basically, we got to slim this down or make it so that it has more space. It can kind of go, contract or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
You laugh at that, jerk.
I'm just scared because it's a real brush. It's gonna hurt me.
Just that. Don't really need much because we're closing it this way like this. So that just gives it a little more flex, and we'll do it on the other side too.
Okay, we got the second one in now. And so we were trying to put these small little screws up in there just so it really stays. But,
Some tough metal.
Yeah. Good metal, which is
Burnt out one of the drill bits.
good that it's tough metal. We just couldn't drill into it or screw into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. A lot of stuff we did today, a little bit slower paced, but that's okay because next video gonna be even faster paced. Please share this to everybody you know. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.